Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to CorelDRAW for scalable vector branding. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the CorelDRAW website. Look for the products section on the home page. Click on CorelDRAW to access the softwares page. Browse through the different subscription options available. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, whether it's monthly or annual. You will be redirected to the registration page. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you're new to Corel, create an account by filling in the required information. Make sure you provide a valid email address. After filling out your details, click on the Create Account button. Next, you'll need to enter your payment information. Choose your preferred payment method from the options provided. Fill in the required fields with your payment details. Review your subscription details carefully. If everything looks correct, click on the Complete Purchase button. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Open the email and look for your download link. Click on the download link to begin downloading CorelDRAW. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation is finished, open CorelDRAW. Log in using the account information you created earlier. Now you are ready to start creating scalable vector graphics for your branding needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.